thing is, you're using a passion or desire to create something which actually leads you maybe further away from what you're trying to create. That's all. And in this way, by using this analogy or this system of comparing the Atma Karaka, which you're born with the sun, seeing its relationship, natural relationship, you'll understand what you need to do as an individual soul. Since I need to get past this and onto the dasa, this is what you need to know quickly and use it in your charts. You can come and ask me later for more specific details. Okay. Now the Karaka Kendradi Dasa revolves around this one soul, this individual soul that's been born, the Chara Atma Karaka. Just before I start drawing the charts, do you have any preferences with North Indian or South Indian styles? North Indian, everybody?
North.
Yes?
North.
Priyagu Chakra? South Indian, I hear back there. Nobody says East Indian. Damn shame.
Don't confuse the troops.
To draw the Karaka Kendradi Dasa, to see the experiences the soul is, say, met with, we treat the Atma Karaka in the chart, the Chara Atma Karaka, as the Lagna. Say it's here. We then see the quadrants to it, the Kendras, these houses, and we find the strongest planets in these houses. Seeing the stronger planets, we find the sequence of the Karaka Kendradi Dasa. Simple. Depending on whether this Atma Karaka is in an odd or even sign, we progress either to the Panaparas, here, and its quadrants. Let me just draw 2 here. Or backwards, the Apoklima and its quadrants. So this would basically be 1, 2, and 3. In 3 sets, 3 rounds, 3 steps. 3 Nipada. If the Atma Karaka was in an odd sign, here's where we get to the exception. If it was in an odd sign, you go to the Panaparas. So, odd is equal to 2. You can write that for technical reasons. Odd 2. Panaparas. Okay? If it was an even sign, we do the opposite. We go to 3, or the Apoklima. Okay? Right. There's an exception to this. If Ketu is with the Atma Karaka, then we use this 3. Always. If Shani, Saturn, is there, we use the odd Panapara. Always. The only exception to this rule. Okay? You're right now. Yes?
We got both of them then.
You find it stronger. Of course. You can't go both ways. Now, these 3 types of quadrants, the Kendra, Panapara, and Apoklima, have special significance. Very special. They symbolize the Trinity